everyone, Abel here from TechNave. We're gonna do an unboxing video and a hands-on on the Galaxy C9 Pro. Let's do this! So the Galaxy C9 Pro is packing some big features. You have 6GB RAM inside, you have 16 megapixels on the front and back camera, and a 6-inch FHD AMOLED display. Let's just take this off a bit. Yeah. There we go. So let's take a look at the physical model right here. You have the volume rockers right here, camera and the LED flash. Actually, this new antenna line design, it looks just like the Oppo R9s. Looks nice nonetheless. Power button right here. Let's check out what does this contain. I believe this is... Okay, this must be the micro SD card slot. And this should be the SIM card. Two of them in fact. Nice. And at the bottom, USB Type-C, 2.5mm headphone jack, and your speaker right there. It's pretty big. Power button is very clicky. If you tap it twice, it will quick launch to a camera mode, which is nice. So going upon in, this is your standard Samsung user interface manual. You have all the apps you want to search right here. Microsoft app seems to be pre-installed inside as well. Nice. Okay guys, so that was the quick hands-on and unboxing of the C9 Pro. Stay tuned for future review at technave.com and see you next time.